Lunch, you get it?
In California.
Lunch assistant California?
Yes.
And how much it is?
I pay 4,600.
It's good.
Plus
So now,
the software.
good, no problem.
Software right now I have maybe 12,000.
12,000
I
software.
do Jeep, Chrysler, programming, computer, transmission,
From here?
Ford,
All Jeep?
all
Right away you
Jeep,
do it from here? Yeah, that's good.
Durango, everything.
Durango, what year?
From 2000 and I think it's 6 to the New Year's, because every year.
So they put the software inside for you.
Yes, in this thing, in the small.
So you can plug it here and do all that. That's
Yes.
good, man. Automatic transfer case. Yes, he ask you.
Very
So-
good computer.
I like it.
Better than the Snap-on.
Yeah, because Snap-on, the point is Snap-on have a different approach. This one here, they adapt programming on it. It's not bad. If you are able to do, you can program brand new computer on it also, right? So what do you want me to do here?
You can do over here all the system checks.
This one here? Yeah, all the system, health report.
And they do everything for you.
Yes, that's good. So we program the transmission, engine, you see now here. Okay, that code is because the transmission have an issue. He sends signals there. Transfer case. What launch is this?
X431, I think so. It's in the back to the computer. That's the number. That's the new model.
Have you even ADAS calibration?
Yes.
ADAS?
That's a new model of computer.
No, ADAS calibration is any ADAS you use or for ADAS is ADAS. So if I have the information, it's good. If they have their own ADAS, it's not bad.
No, they are good computer.
They have ADAS?
Yes, they have it.
Because ADAS from hotel is almost 40,000.
I do one for the right now because every year I pay 2,100 to do the rev data for the software of this computer.
It's good. It's good. If you have.
But I do Audi. Last time we can do Audi.
Good.
ECM, we do Audi ECM, BCM. Except TCM, they don't let me do it.
TCM, they don't do it.
They don't let me do it.
That's the problem on some computers. When you have it and you go with it and suddenly they say, look, we can't do this one. What about Mercedes?
Mercedes, I can do light reprogramming, but no computer.
Okay, so that also.
Diesel, they work with diesel too.
Anyhow, all aftermarket tools. Okay, here is where is I'm gonna see the report, right? Okay, I'm gonna see a report here.
You can print the receipt to the customer. Give OK again.
Okay.
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 Okay. And they print your receipt.
This is the report. Okay, report has saved. Okay, that's the car, which is not bad. Okay, now here we have code, transmission code 1 P0603 transmission control long-term memory reset. Okay, transfer case U code, amplifier. That's a lot of code in amplifier. Passenger remote control, door, electronic brake. All the other is good. So I like this one here.
The good part on this computer is even if you clear the codes,
still you have in the memory.
Still have in the memory.
What happened, like he keep it what's going on. 7 engine, transmission control module, one problem exists. He say transmission control module long-term memory reset. Okay. Okay, transfer case. Okay, now I'm gonna save this one here. And now I will go back. Now I'm gonna go to clear codes. I'm gonna clear all the codes. The good news is any company you deal with and you are good with it and you understand how to manipulate, go with it and work, is okay.
You need to go in the training for it.
This one, how to use it, right?
They give a free training
when
you buy a computer.
That's good. And free training online?
No, you got personal to Jersey.
You have to go to New Jersey to how many hours?
And you can do online too. It's like 6 hours training.
Yeah, that's good. How to use it, how to understand. But this launch, and in fact, is the mother of Orobos and Hotel. I believe like Hotel company and Orobos and all this, they are not available when launch is there.
Hotel, the good and Hotel is for the keys.
Yes, launch when it's out there, Hotel was not there. There's Orobos.
Keys and stuff like that, but launch.
So okay, now you see here, low tire pressure, and all the other things here, engine, transmission, everything look good. Only low tire pressure. You have one code for tire pressure. maybe the sensor or anything. So we have a quick review about this machine. What it is, it's a Launch X431 throttle. That's the model of it. That's a good one. So you have this, good, I like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and give us your opinion about those tools. I usually use the dealer tools because sometimes it fell short in the middle of programming or configuration. Some of them, they don't work. Thank you anyhow, and see you in another video.